You heard of peppers and sausage. This is gonna be po' boy. Me, four-finger po' boys. Hey, we in Louisiana, so you got to have some good Louisiana smoked sausage and some good Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna show you how to make some Cajun po' boys. All right, y'all, first thing we're gonna do some peppers. I'm gonna cut the core out of this thing. I'm gonna cut my finger off first. Well, my grandma used to make stuffed peppers. You talk about good. Somebody took my, oh, it's over here. Okay, we cut it like that. My grandma and them grew a few peppers and onions and stuff like that, a lot of onions and stuff. My grandma had a number 3 wash tub, they call them, on the back porch. And it was full of onions. So every onion she got was fresh. And all the shallots and stuff was fresh. Just straight out of the bucket. When I was a kid, things were different. And we didn't have a lot of refrigeration down there. We didn't have electricity, basically, you know. If we wanted refrigeration, that was ice. But what my grandmother would do, let me cut these up real small. My grandma and grandpa would raise potatoes. They had 5-gallon metal buckets, and they would get dirt from up on the highland, and every year they grow potatoes, and once the potatoes grew out and the tops die off, then we'd take the 5-gallon buckets and put them under the camp. And you say, for what? Well, that was refrigeration. We kind of kept them cool until we needed them. Once we got the potatoes, and if we wanted to cook potatoes sometime, we'd go under there and we'd get a bucket out and bring it out. We had a sheet of tin. We'd dump the dirt on the tin, go through them and get all the potatoes out, put the dirt back in the bucket for next year. And that's how we had our potatoes, you know. It was different little things like that Grandma and them did. And that's just how you survived back then. It's just what you did. But a lot of times, Grandma would tell us like 10:30, 11 o'clock, hey, y'all want fish for lunch? Y'all better go catch them. And that's what we would do, shoot out to the lake right there. Lake was right by our camp. We'd catch half of fresh fish. I'm talking about fresh. Won't get no fresher than that. But Grandma had that big old straw hat, and it had embroidered flowers on them, on the sides and stuff. But every time we'd be in that lake, she'd have that hat on. The bees would come to her. Now, I guess trying to get on them flowers, but it was funny. Grandpa used to laugh about it all the time. All right, y'all, we got enough onions right here. I think we're gonna go ahead and put some sausage on the griddle right here. Smoked sausage is just something, we eat lots of sausage in Louisiana. So we're gonna open this up. Probably gonna get a little oil and put it on this side over here. Just to get it going a little bit. A lot of people don't know about smoked sausage, but it's already cooked. I could eat this right now. A lot of times I do. Let me cut this. Put that one out. So we're gonna drop some sausages over here. Same kind of sausage. All right, y'all, we got this going pretty good now. I think we're gonna go ahead and go to the peppers and get all this stuff cooking down, because I like my vegetables cooked down pretty good. All right, first thing we're gonna do is squirt a little line of oil here. I'm gonna put a lot. Next, we're gonna grab all these vegetables. Watch this, y'all. Ain't that pretty? Yes, indeed. And we're just gonna let that cook down. Probably gonna put a little bit of seasoning on there since I got it right here. And let this onions and peppers just start cooking down a little bit. I'm telling you what, y'all can smell this. When you make this at home, it's gonna smell super good. And watch this, y'all. Steam. That steams it up and it's gonna make the vegetables cook a lot faster. Now I'm gonna mix them together. Turn these sausages again a little bit. And then, come on. They don't want to turn over, right? There we go. Now, it's gonna be much longer. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get the the warming tray out. Blackstone has a good, nice warming tray in here. And we're gonna warm these buns up. Let's get them a little toasty. You know what I mean? Stick them in here. Look at there. All right, y'all, this is it. I mean, all we need is 3 or 4 minutes and we'll be ready to eat. Simple. We're getting down to the last steps here. We're gonna grab us some butter, because butter makes it better, baby. And we're gonna slice it up a little bit right here on the table. Now we're gonna just drop one here, one here, one here, one there, and one right there. All right, we got this, y'all. See how it's doing? We're gonna mix it all in. All right, y'all, got this butter about melted up in here. So we're gonna spread it out just a little bit, one more time. Okay. Okay. Is that pretty or what? We're gonna hit it with a little bit more of Bayou blend right here. Just a little bit. Okay, cut it in half. Oh yeah. Now, we're gonna put some cheese on it, y'all. Watch this. All this cheese is gonna melt down to nothing. But it's gonna have the flavor and the taste all in it. So we're gonna put just about this whole bag on here, y'all. I'm not kidding. I almost forgot something, y'all. Watch this. We'll just drizzle a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on there. That just kind of boosts the flavor up a little bit. All right, here we go. They're nice and warm. That's what we wanted though. We wanted warm buns. All right, y'all, we're gonna open these buns up just like that. We're gonna put a little mustard in here. Watch this, y'all. I mean, this is something we didn't really do a lot when we was kids, because we didn't do like ketchup and mustard like when we had fish fries and stuff. We just didn't have it. Didn't know about it till later in life. All right, y'all, we fixing to grab some of these hot dogs. I ain't even got to get up. Look at that. I said hot dogs. This is a sausage, no hot dog. This is the real deal. Look at that. Y'all think it look good now? But watch what we do here, y'all. We talked about that cheese a while ago. Come watch this. We're gonna mix all this in together. Do y'all see that? Oh, that's the good stuff, y'all. It's gonna be ooey gooey and good. We're gonna take this. Watch what we do with it, y'all. We're gonna lay it down right there. Right there. Get us some more. Right there. All right, y'all, we got it happening. All right, we're gonna throw this over there. And I would hit it with a little Bayou blend right at the end. Watch, just a little to do you. I guarantee you never had sausage and peppers like this before. But let me tell you one thing, it is good. And now, we're gonna try to cut me a little chunk of this off right here. You know, just look at this on the inside. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. Oh, the peppers, the cheese, the smoked sausage, the Bayou blend, the bread, everything just goes together. Y'all got to make you one of these. It's simple, it's fun, and it's fast, and it's good to eat.